How to access blocked websites without a VPN. Now let's just say that there's a website, for example, Funimation.com. This is a website that of course is blocked in my country, as you can see here. Now the way that we can get around this is by copying the link, opening up another tab and typing in Google Translate. And don't use it from here. Click on Google Translate, click on the website, click on detect language, simply paste the link here and you should click it. And there you go, the website works. So another way to get around the blocked websites is by going onto the web archive. Here you go, the Wayback Machine. So what you can do now is simply paste the link of the page and click on the latest date, March 31st. Here you go, April 3rd. So let's go here, let's go at 11 o'clock, and it should take us to the web page. And there you go. Now another feature with the Wayback Machine is that you can go way back. Now another feature of the Wayback Machine is that you can go way back. You can go back a couple of years to see how the website looked before. But this isn't really the point of the video. So the third way that you can get around this is by using Blockaway. Here you go. So this is basically a proxy site. And keep in mind that Blockaway does not work for every user, as opposed to Google Translate and Web Archive. So let's see if this works. And it doesn't work, but sometimes it does. So of course there's a couple of other methods that you can use, one of which is downloading a different browser. So you can download the Opera GX, which gives you a free VPN, and you can download the Brave browser, which gives you a proxy server. So I'm using Opera GX right now. I can simply click VPN here and use a VPN, but you can also use the Brave browser and then click new private window, or you can do it new private window with Tor. Let's try it now. And there you go. That's how to access blocked websites without a VPN. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.